In the remote wilderness of Alaska's Katmai National Park, an extraordinary spectacle unfolds every autumn, the synchronized hunt of the elusive wolf pack and the cunning coyote. As the first snowfall dusts the rugged landscape, the wolves, with their piercing eyes and sharp instincts, strategize a hunt for the migrating caribou. But this year, a bold coyote has infiltrated their territory, shadowing the pack from a distance, drawn by the same promise of sustenance. Tension mounts as the alpha wolf catches wind of the intruder. A silent chase ensues through the icy underbrush. The coyote, a master of evasion, darts through narrow paths, its survival hinging on speed and cunning. As the pack closes in, the coyote suddenly veers towards the frozen river, a perilous gamble that pays off, as the wolves, unwilling to risk the unstable ice, pull back. In this high-stakes dance of predator and prey, the coyote survives another